This video, we're going to talk about the About Me section. This section is only available to premium and professional level members. So if you're an associate level member, you will not see this on your profile. So on the About Me section, you'll see it's just a standard text editor that allows you to do different kinds of formatting, including bold and setting different headings, changing text color, creating lists, inserting images, that sort of thing. So you want to make sure you're using those features to make this section easy to read and easy to follow. And you also probably want to do a little research into, or at least give some thought to, what keywords or phrases would people use when they were searching for what you offer. And as you're writing your About Me section, you want to include those words in your writing. And you don't want to do it in just listing out those words. You want to build them into your sentences, but you definitely want to use those. That'll help you show up in search results when people are searching for those things. So once you've made your edits in this section, as always, you want to click Save and Continue here at the bottom to make sure those edits have been saved to your profile.